Tranches are a fundamental concept in structured finance that allow different investors to participate in the same pooled security at different risk levels. The word tranche literally means slice, and that's exactly what these are. Slices of a larger financial product, each with its own risk and return characteristics. Tranches are slices or segments of a pooled financial product that divide risk and return among different investor groups. Think of it like cutting a cake into layers, where each layer has different ingredients and appeals to different tastes. The word tranche comes from French, meaning slice or portion, which perfectly describes how these securities are structured. The process begins when financial institutions pool assets together, such as mortgages, loans, or bonds. These assets generate cash flows from payments made by borrowers. The pool is then divided into tranches with different risk levels. Each tranche receives payments based on its priority level, creating a hierarchy of who gets paid first and who bears losses first. There are three main types of tranches. The senior tranche has the lowest risk and receives first priority for payments, making it the safest option. The mezzanine tranche sits in the middle with medium risk and middle priority. Finally, the equity tranche carries the highest risk and has last priority for payments, but offers the potential for higher returns. Payments flow through tranches in what's called a waterfall structure. Cash flows from the underlying assets first go to the senior tranche holders until they're fully paid. Only after the senior tranche is satisfied does money flow down to the mezzanine tranche. Finally, whatever remains goes to the equity tranche. This creates a clear hierarchy of payment priority. The senior tranche offers lower returns but comes with a higher credit rating and is protected by subordination, meaning other tranches absorb losses first. On the opposite end, the equity tranche provides higher potential returns but has a lower credit rating and absorbs losses first. This trade-off allows investors to choose the risk level that matches their investment goals and risk tolerance. Tranches are commonly used in several types of securities. Mortgage-backed securities, or MBS, contain pools of home mortgages divided by risk. Collateralized debt obligations, or CDOs, bundle various debt instruments together. Asset-backed securities, or ABS, can include auto loans, credit card debt, and student loans. Each of these products uses tranching to appeal to different types of investors. Let's recap the essential points. Tranches divide pooled securities into different risk tiers, allowing diverse investors to participate. Payment priority follows a waterfall structure from senior to equity tranches. Higher risk tranches offer higher potential returns but absorb losses first, creating a classic risk-return trade-off. These structures are common in mortgage-backed securities, collateralized debt obligations, and other structured financial products that transformed modern finance.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.